Hello everyone, this is Prince 117005. Just want to make a quick video about something. Don't you guys wish they would return the 15 rounds fight? It got me thinking when like the fight yesterday between Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. and Sergio Martinez. You know, everybody knew that uh, Martinez is the more skillful, or the more skilled, the more technical fighter between the two. So, but you know, sometimes it's not about the skills or the talent. You know, sometimes it comes down to who have the more heart. You know, and yesterday both of the guys showed a lot of hearts. Sergio surviving the 12th round after suffering a knockdown against Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. And then we have Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. Showing his heart and not giving up. Remember, he wasn't even he didn't even buckle for the whole fight. You know, he never showed that he got hurt or even stunned by Sergio Martinez punches. But imagine if it was a 15 rounds or 15 rounder fight. Who do you think will win? Who do you think would win that fight? I think it's gonna be Chavez Jr. Because it's sad, but the reality is Sergio Martinez was saved by the bell. I have to agree with some of the videos that I saw here in YouTube. So I'm 31 years old, and I don't know why they removed the 15 rounds fight. I have to research that, but I think they have to return it, especially, and apply it. Even if they don't want to apply it in all the fights, I think they should apply it in the major fights, or for the elite fights or elite fighters, championship fights, because when you go 15 rounds, I think that's a very good way to know how condition, or how great or how good a fighter is. That's it. What do you guys think? Because we had a very good fight last night or yesterday. But imagine if it was they have a 13th round, 14th round, and then a 15th round. Anything can happen in boxing. And Sergio Martinez showed that he can be hurt, and Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. showed that he can hurt Sergio Martinez. That's why I'm excited that if they're gonna have a rematch, and I know Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. will know what to do if they have a rematch. Thank you again. This is Prince 117005. Peace.